Hey everyone. So this is my first video posting since announcing. I did post the camper video, but I didn't realize that that video would be going up after. I thought that video was going up first. So I didn't really talk about the pregnancy or anything like that, but I'm so excited to finally let you guys know that we are pregnant after all of our years of infertility. And I just so appreciate all of you guys who have been praying for us and sending us the kindest, sweetest messages, because it seriously means so much and it feels like very surreal. We do have some fun videos coming up today. I'm going to be going shopping for the baby. We are at the Stormville ultimate family yard sale. It says there's over 300 families that have like little tables out there, so that should be really exciting. I know when I came to the yard sale, I think it must have been in like June, there was a lot of like adorable antique baby stuff, so I'm kind of hoping that today we will think of the baby and maybe be able to find stuff for the nursery and things like that. Soon we're going to be having a gender reveal. That's just in 2 weekends from today, so it's going to be so soon. I cannot wait for that. So you guys are going to come along with us and build the backdrop for that, and then of course I'll post the video afterwards of the actual gender reveal and stuff. And we'll get to do the nursery over. Like, I just feel like there's so many fun baby things that we're going to be able to do. And of course we'll do non-baby things too. But let me stop rambling because it's been almost 4 minutes and I'm at the flea market, so let's go. So if you guys remember the last flea market that we came to, I came with my parents. Like, it was literally just 2 weeks ago, I think. And one of that like little wicker thing I bought was actually for the baby's nursery, but I couldn't say that in the video, so I said I was going to use it as a park cart. But we bought one of those carts and I was planning on bringing that today, but since I'm by myself, I think it's going to be too hard to film with that and push the cart, so I think I'm just gonna go with like a reusable bag for this trip.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind.
They're so cute.
This one is just
Stories I've been told.
well, that one it's tied here.
Oh, I see this one.
This
Yeah.
road that I am
That's
on,
adorable.
Stacked.
I gotta stay here.
How much are they?
$5 for the pair.
Okay, yeah, I'll get it. It's really cute.
The handle came off, so if somebody's handy, they
Yeah.
can attach it. But I think somebody made it.
It's cute.
Isn't it adorable?
Yeah.
I'm not.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight.
I've never seen a pole.
And I still wonder where you are and if you found a way
I've never
out
seen one.
from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go. We have to try and keep up, 'cause this life so much more. And I still wonder you seek me out.
I'm so out of breath right now. It's not even like it's hot out. What's the temperature? It's, oh my gosh, it's only 61. I'm sweating though. They had me park like all the way in the back. I need to unbutton one of these. They had me park like all the way in the back. So I had a really long way to walk with this stuff. The first thing I got was this little ornament, which I thought was so cute. Both of the things that I bought are broken. So I'll have to also fix them. But I felt like they were cheap enough, so it didn't really matter to me that much. What it looks like, it's very dirty and messy, but I thought it was so cute because it kind of looks like a little fence. And so if it's a boy or a girl, we're doing a Peter Rabbit themed nursery, and I feel like this reminds me of like Mr. McGregor's fence that he has. As you can see, it's like a little, I'm gonna have to fix it, but it's so cute. So I could either, you know, like keep these white, but just I'm gonna have to clean them up and like repaint them, or paint them like a different color depending on the gender. Oh no, I think I'm missing the handle. No. Oh, I'm gonna have to go back. I'm so sad right now. I just walked so far. Okay, but the next thing I got was this, which is like this cute little wagon. And again, it like needs a little bit of help. But I was trying to like fit it into my bag, and the woman was like, oh, why don't you just leave it here and come pick it up? So I did, but the handle I don't think is in the bag, and it's not there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk all the way back over. Oh my gosh. And I feel like the handle's like a major part of it, so I can't just like leave that. Let me just make sure it's not like stuffed in here somewhere. I'm gonna have to go look for this handle. I'm so mad, oh my gosh. Now that we're home, let's get these pieces cleaned up and looking brand new. So I'm first starting with these adorable bookshelves. So I just washed them off. Once they were all clean, I just nailed back in the pieces that were loose. Next, I just took some white spray paint and spray painted these. Depending on the baby's gender, maybe we will change up the color on it a little bit, or just use some like decorations to make it look a little girlier or a little more boyish, but we'll have to see when that time comes. Since we're waiting on the gender, I don't have many baby things, so I just grabbed some things that I do have and placed them on here so you guys can see what it will look like. Now moving over to the wagon, I'm really excited about this one. I thought it was so cute, definitely in rough condition and breaking, but we can fix this. I just grabbed some wood glue and I'm filling in this broken piece, and then I'll take my clamp and clamp this for about 24 hours. Now that it's been 24 hours, I'm gonna work on the handle. So I'm just measuring the inner piece, and I had some of this scrap wood in our garbage area. So I just grabbed that, and I'm making the handle about 12 inches long. So I'm just cutting the pieces out that I need. Next, I'm drilling a hole through the handle. That way we can place a dowel through it and it will be able to go up and down. I also cut out this little piece. I'm just gonna nail the top as a handle. This obviously is not very fancy. This is kind of how the original one was, just something very simple. I will have to get a wooden dowel for that. For now, I'm just using a screw, and I'm taking some stain. I think it's in the color Brown Canyon, and I'm just staining over this piece. Originally I was going to stain the whole piece, but I decided to paint this upper section in a very pale yellow, and I love this color so much. Kind of looks a little white in some lighting, but looks yellow in others. It's very beautiful. And I also feel like it's perfect for either gender. Also, depending on the gender, if it's a girl, we'll probably add on like some little flowers or something like that. And if it's a boy, I'm not really sure yet, maybe put his name on it. But here is what the final wagon looks like. I think it is so cute, and for $5, I could not beat it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this gave you guys some inspiration. I cannot wait for the gender reveal and those videos to come, so stay tuned next week.